What is the line between the virtual world and reality? Technology is accelerating the convergence of the two worlds. Introducing Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition. It takes the lead in realizing a true wireless AR connection, pairing with smartphones with a single tap. Experience more freedom with a cord-free design and realize unprecedented freedom. Retina-level near-eye display for AR glasses, driving forward the seamless crossover between virtual and real worlds. Features electrochromic lenses, immersed mode. Enjoy complete immersion in your virtual space. Transparent mode. Enjoy a vivid AR experience. Self-developed Xiaomi AR gesture control with precise spatial detection. Place virtual objects anywhere you want in the physical space. Drag and zoom freely. Flip pages by flipping your fingertips. Grab and drag TV images onto your glasses display. Turn off smart lights in your sightline using gestures. Put the world at your fingertips and master the virtual world. Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition, redefining the boundary between virtual and reality through innovation.
Xiaomi.